Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Let's make this week a great one. Here we go. Me first. The month is September. Alright, I see that today is September 28th and we have a birthday. Happy birthday, Ryan. I hope you have a great day. Let's put our date into number form, September 28th, 2020. Let's put it in word form, September 28th, 2020. Let's go back up. I have a question for you. How many Mondays have we had in September? How many Mondays are there? Well, here's Monday. There wasn't anything here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Mondays in September. All right. I know that today is Monday. So if today is Monday, I will hop back to yesterday, and yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time I saw you, we had been at school 11 days, 11 plus 1 more. Well, let's see. We still have one group of 10 and 2 ones. What number does that make? 12. All right, let's make 12 cents. I am going to start with a dime. 10, 11, 12. Take a couple seconds and figure out a different way to make 12 cents and share with a grown-up, please. Good job. All right, these are words that you should know. They are from first grade. Yell them out to me. 2. Very. My. Some. By. Also. Counting by tens, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120.